with markers, raise them up. Those of you with markers are the buyers. Okay? The people without markers are going to be the sellers. Okay? Everybody's going to be in charge of doing something. Alright? Isaiah and Paul are going to be in the back. If you notice those two columns right there, the ones that are empty, which is the one on the right hand side, that's where your tallies are going to go. What that means is that those of you who are sellers and buyers, you guys are going to come together, right? Pick up one of these sheets right here. Buyers, this is your side. It's going to be the left-hand table, all right? In that, every time you guys come up, there's going to be 3 different rounds. You're going to come, get a paper. Okay, you're going to look at it, and it'll tell you, you are authorized to buy 1 ounce of silver, paying as little as possible. If you pay more than blank, it'll tell you how much on here. Per ounce, you lose money. Let's say, this isn't an account that's on there, so let's say you're supposed to buy it for as little as $10, okay? If you pay more than $10, you lost money. If you bought it for less than $10, you gained money, okay? If you're a seller, okay, it'll tell you pretty much the exact same thing, but it'll say you are authorized to sell 1 ounce of silver for as much as possible. If you sell it for less than blank per ounce, you lose money, okay? Let's say again it's at $10. If you sell it for less than $10, you sellers lost money. If you sell it for more than $10, you gained money, okay? Each of you should have a graph on there, all right? On your graph, there are going to be some columns, okay? The first column says what?
Price of a card.
Price of a card, right? What is that? That means you're going to put the price that's on the card on there, okay? If it says $10, if your card says $10, you're going to put $10 on there. Trading price. Whatever you bought it or sold it for goes on trading price, which is the second column, okay? Gain or loss. If you made money on it, you're going to put it on the gain side. So if you bought it, if it's at $10 and you bought it for $9, you gained $1, correct? If you sold it, if it's at $10 and you sold it for $1, you're gonna keep it for that, all right? If you sold it for $11, that means you gained $1, correct? All right. The last row on there, you're going to be adding up how much money you made per round. So if you made $1 on the first sale, $2 in the second sale, your totals are going to be $3. You're going to do as many as 5 for the first round, as many as 5 for the second round. And the third round, which is the final round, you can actually do a little bit more. Is that understood? Okay. Remember, sellers, and this is only for sellers. Every time you sell something, you're going to go up to Isaiah and Paul, and you're going to tell them, this is how much I sold it for, and they're going to put a tally. Every time you sell it. Because every time you sell it, you're also going to come back, put the old card on here, put it on the bottom, and get a new one. Okay? Isaiah.
So, like, if one person comes up to me and they be like, I sold it for $5.40, me and him got a mark, and I charge
$5.40, because there might be multiple people coming in. So,
But we supposed to have the same thing, though. Like, we got, if one person say, like, I sold this for $5.40, we both put a tally in the
no,
$5.40?
one of you puts a tally.
Oh, okay.
So if there's like 2 people coming up, and one tells you $5.40, and the other one tells you $5.30, you put the $5.40, he'll put a tally in $5.30.
Gotcha.
All right, so whatever. After they come to him, the next people come to me. Do I go mark on the same like? You see how you put it? It's like 2 sections of the same thing.
Yeah, well, the first second, one on the left-hand side with round 1, 2, and 3. That was for the first case. The next way out. Okay. All right. Now, when I say the market is open, that's when you guys get up and trade with each other. Okay. When I say the market is closed, you guys will sit back down. Is that understood? All right. So let's do this real quick. What I want this last row to do, or the 4th row down, is get up really quick and move your seats as much as you can. So I need that group to get up as well. That way we have some room there. So I need those 6 people to come up to the front door. Yeah.
So once the buyer deposits, we all get the What about right now? So this is when we trade.
No. Let me get everybody's attention still. I need everyone's attention still. Okay, you guys are going to be distinguishing that between buyers and sellers because the buyers have markers in their hand. Sellers do not. Okay, you guys are going to get 5 minutes each round to come up, get your cards, and start trading with each other. Every time you do a buy and a sell, get a new card. Is that understood? Okay, the market is open.
And then the only way.
Oh, the sellers tell them how much you sold it for.
Did you sell something?
Remember sellers, remember to keep going back there and keep going
Yeah.